Good morning, class 4. Today we are going to do all the questions and answers of the class play. So we have done part number A. Take the correct answer. Still, I'm going to discuss it in the video. Okay. Now, the children were excited. Why? The children were excited because they were going to talk about their class play. So 1B is the correct answer. Number 2, Renu did not like most of the stories because they, what will be the correct answer? Showed only boys to be strong and brave. Renu narrated a story about a group of friends showing courage and intelligence. So this will be the correct answer. So number 3A will be the correct answer. Now come to part number B. Answer these questions. What ideas did the children give for the class play? So what ideas did the children give? The children gave many ideas such as Aladdin to play the role of Aladdin, Superman and Batman. So this will be the answer. Now how did Renu's mother encourage her? Renu's mother encouraged her by telling her that women can do whatever they want to, and she gave her and her mother's example to Renu. What example did she give? Renu's mother was a lawyer and her grandmother was a doctor. By this way, she encouraged Renu to become whatever she want, and she also told that women can achieve whatever they want to. Now, what suggestions did Renu's father give her? So Renu's father suggested that she should write her own story. Renu's father suggested that she should write her own story. Why? Because she did not like most of the stories that were discussed in the class, as it only showed boys to be strong and brave, but not girls. So then her father also said that girls are equally strong and brave, and she should write her own story. So Renu's father suggested that she should write her own story. Understood? Now come to question number 4. What was the story that Renu narrated to the class? What was the story that Renu narrated to the class? So Renu narrated a story about Alka Didi and her college friends who got stuck in the dark during a trek because of heavy rains. And she gave an outline of how they managed to get out of the place and reached a police station and waited there till it stopped raining. As you can see, she described the story after when her teacher asked her, do you have a story? Then Renu narrated her own story. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Did the children like Renu's story? What will be the answer? Yes, the children liked Renu's story and they agreed to write the play together. Okay, part C. Read these lines from the story and answer these questions. But I don't know how to write a story. I have never written one. Part A. Who had never written a story? Who had never written a story? Renu had never written a story. This will be the answer. What is the answer number B? Answer of B. Why did the speaker need to write a story? The speaker, who is the speaker? Renu is the speaker. So the speaker, Renu, did not like the ideas given by her classmates. Why? Because they only showed boys to be strong and brave and girls as weak. So Renu decided to write her own story. Number C. Who helped the speaker to write the story? Who helped the speaker to write the story? Her parents helped the speaker to write the story. C2. It sounds interesting. Of course, this is just an outline. We will have to work on it. Who said these lines? Who said these lines? The teacher said these lines. So, what will be the answer? The teacher. The teacher said these lines. Come to part B. 2B. What was just an outline? What was just an outline? The story that Renu narrated in class was the outline that the teacher was talking about. The story that Renu narrated in class was the outline that the teacher was talking about. Okay. Now C. Part C. The teacher and Renu. Part C. Who would have to work on the outline? Who would have to work on the outline? The teacher and Renu's classmates would have to work on the outline of the story. So, the teacher and Renu's classmates would have to work on the outline of the story. Now, we will in the video again we will discuss. Do you feel that some people think boys are smarter and braver than girls? Do you think girls can do everything that boys can? What do you think? Of course, yes, some people do think that boys are smarter and braver than girls, and personally I also think that girls can do everything that boys can. Alright? Now, part E. Fill in the blanks with the names of some places in a school. So five words are given. Choose and write it wherever it suits. Okay. Number 1A. A place you borrow books from. A place you borrow books from. What will be the answer? Yes, of course, library is a place where you borrow books from. Now, question number 2. A room where students carry out science experiments. Of course, it's laboratory. Laboratory is a place where students carry out science experiments. Number 3. A common room for teachers. A common room for teachers. Staff room is a common room for teachers. So, staff room will be the correct answer of 3. 4. A place where students can buy and eat food. A place where students can buy and eat food. What will be the answer? Canteen. Canteen is the place where students go and students buy and eat food. Number 5. An area where students play outdoor games. So, what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be playground. So, the suitable answer of 5 is playground. So, an area where students play outdoor games. We all play outdoor games at the playground, right? So, this is the basic sense you have to apply while answering all these questions. Okay, an area where students play outdoor games will be playground. So, students, please memorize these questions and answers of the story, and please go through the text and read at home. Thank you, class.